Hey everybody, this is Puneet Kaushik and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something very strange, interesting and shocking as well. What if I ask you what is the shape of Earth? You might be thinking, what a silly question is this? Undoubtedly, round shape. But wait, there is a doubt. There is a doubt about the shape of Earth. Yes, there are so many international celebrities even who claim that Earth is flat. Do you want to know why they believe in like this? Let's figure it out.
There is a society called Flat Earth Society who claims to believe that the Earth is flat. Members of Flat Earth Society claims that NASA is trying to trick people by saying Earth is spherical or round, whereas they believe the Earth is flat and covered by the ice on the edges so that nobody can fall from the planet.
That means they are saying Earth is like this compact disk, which is covered by the ice walls of 150 feet tall around its edges. Strange.
Walking around on planet's surface looks and feels flat, so they denied all evidence such as satellite photos of Earth as a sphere and believe it is fabrication of a round Earth conspiracy built up by NASA and other government agencies. Believe me, their network is increasing day by day. Its ranks have grown up by 200 people per year since 2009. The theory of Flat Earth members says Earth is a disk with Arctic Circle in the center and Antarctica, a 150-foot tall wall of ice around the rim. NASA employees, they say, guard this ice wall to prevent people from climbing over and falling off the disk. They even don't believe in Earth's gravity. They say Earth's gravity is an illusion. Objects do not accelerate downward. Instead, the disk of Earth accelerates upward at 32 feet per second, driven up by mysterious force called dark energy. And now, if you ask what lies underneath the disk of Earth, then flat earthers believe it is composed of rocks. And about NASA's conspiracy theory, they believe that NASA has photoshopped the pictures of globe. That means they believe NASA is trying to fool people by saying the Earth is spherical and showing some fake photoshopped pictures of space and Earth.
Well, I'm not going to believe in those weird facts. What you guys think about the shape of Earth? Share your views in comment section below. And do like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.